So you guys know I do these unboxing videos all the time, and so my kids wanted to do their own unboxing video, which I was going to do originally, which I was planning on doing originally. I had it all set up, and my kids want to say, hey, can we do this one? So I figured, okay, I'll let them do this one. So it's the Jurassic Park toys from the Jurassic Park World, and I showed pictures of them on Instagram so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So they wanted to do the unboxing video. This is their first unboxing video, so it's going to be raw. As you can see, the Yuckmouth kids, the three youngest ones, doing an unboxing video. So this is like a raw cut, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys like and enjoy the video. And till then, guys, peace.
Okay, but we just got the flying thing, but
Troodon. So it's a new Jurassic Park toy, so you guys can see it right here. I like this. It's like the little stomach part right here. It comes down, I believe.
So you gotta push it. You gotta push it.
Oh, yeah, you gotta push it. See, boom, there you go, like that. And then you do the whole little what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Want to see something cool? And then when he goes back, you can push it back up. You can push it back up. Here we have the helicopter.
It flies upside down?
Wait, let's do that. We have the guy that's inside. I think you're supposed to. I think you can launch it down like when you open this all the way, then it goes down. I think you launch it like that. Then that works. Let's see you do it. I'm too scared. Oh no, it doesn't work. It's not working. Stop. Okay. And here's the button to shoot. There.
Ow!
Sorry. No, don't shoot you.
It's a Jeep from Jurassic Park, and I can't believe they added it to Jurassic World, even though Jurassic Park is an old movie.
Here we have the
Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus. You can open its mouth. Hey, man. It's you. Hello. So no. Hey, man. It's you. Hello.
Here we got the Tyrannosaurus, the new dinosaur that's in Jurassic World. Its mouth can open and make sounds. And his back glows. He has a lot more sounds.
Get about your leg.
I think he has 4 sounds.
Is it my turn? I'm gonna get you. Okay, but
That's kidding.
it can make sounds like when you bake it. Here, you gotta say what's it called. What's it called? Yeah.
Say the name of it.
Yes. I don't know what's its name. I forgot. So here we got the Velociraptor, and it kind of makes noises like this.
Check out this one.
And that one. And as you can see the blood inside.
So we got this right here. This is a Walmart exclusive. You guys can see the little small Jurassic Park toys. And these like 15 of dinos inside here. You got the Indominus Rex and some other toys.
Not as Rex, not Adonis Rex.
There we go. I just got corrected. So we guys, we're gonna open this up for the first time, and there we go.
First, we got.
Oh, what the heck? It's stuck. Oh.
I need scissors.
I did not know that. I
Okay,
know
so
that. Other than
I think it's like a Tyrannosaurus or something.
Sure?
That's what we got. It's one of them right there.
I have no idea what that is.
I think it's like
we have no idea what it is.
I think it's a Tyrannosaurus of the last. Hold on. The next, the Tyrannosaurus.
I want to get one out.
Get one.
There's 2 tails. This one already opened. It's
This
10.
one's already open?
Yeah.
That's
it's
what
is
already
it?
open.
Wait. Jada's turn.
It's a 10.
It's a 3-horn.
We got a Velociraptor. I think this is the Data. Next, I think it's the Giramadonna. It's like.
Haba Gaba Llama? What?
Haba Gaba Llama.
Ooh. think I know this one. I know this one. It's the... Wait. It's just... Sorry. It's just Spinosaurus. Yay, my favorite dinosaur.
Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Yay. Let me get one. Oh, it's one.
You get one.
Oh, this one looks big.
Let's save this for last.
Wow.
Let's save it for Jake, let's save it for last.
Right there.
Exclusive Anonymous Rex.
Ooh, we got the Anonymous Rex.
Sucker.
Hey, let me see it. Let me see. Let me see. I want to see her. It's glowing.
Next we got the Mosasaurus. That's like the giant monster that ate the shark.
We got all the dinosaurs here.
Wait, hold on. There's Stegosaurus,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
a Pteranodon, another Pteranodon, an
Hey.
Ankylosaurus, and I think that's it.
Look, there's tons of tents. I lose these at tents. Tents. They're
So all the
tents.
dinosaurs came with houses?
Yeah, they're tents.
Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 dinosaurs.
Wait, they're all tents. This is Jurassic World. Oh, Jurassic World. Look, the mouth is a little small. Even though he's supposed to be a big dinosaur. This is big. Hey, I'm kind of tiny here. Okay, wait, yeah.
He's a Velociraptor.
I could be
Tyrannosaurus, even bigger. Bigger. Spinosaurus or Tyrannosaurus?
See, I kind of make them stand up.
They're lazy.
This one can stand up.
Duh. I think this guy's like a
This can
Tyrannosaurus.
stand up too.
I think this guy's like a Tyrannosaurus or like a Dilophosaurus.